Yeah, because that was one of the things that was very interesting to me was the percentage base that you had. Because it
Yeah,
wasn't
I
really
don't.
something that was structured inside of our community for percentage base because a lot of the times people get burned when they talk about percentages, especially for first time clients, and it depends on the niche as well. But you have a complete understanding of it. And how do you know how much revenue one of your clients is making from a campaign?
We did. They just send me their updates like every few days on
Hmm.
their dashboard, and we have an
Yeah.
estimate, and then they get paid every month. So as soon as they get paid, they just upload their payment slip onto Slack. We use Slack, and I just auto bill them. That's it.
Yeah, that's 100% the way to do it because as soon as
Yeah.
you get the numbers and it's all visible and everything's just all there so that there isn't any shady stuff. But I know that you
Yeah.
pre-qualify people as well. That's the most important thing that
Yeah,
my
I mean,
agency.
I don't take on anybody because I tell people like, I mean, these days I don't take people on board unless they already have some audiobooks to work with. Like I tell people, if you don't have any audiobooks, just join my program, and then once you get to like 5K a month, I'll like scale you up from there, or something like that. Or if they're already doing something but they need help scaling up, then that's easier for me.